Listen, I don't care how your year has gone so far. I don't care if you wasted time, fell off, got distracted, got broke, got comfortable, or convinced yourself you'd start fresh next year. You're not done. The year is not over, and you don't get to tap out early. Because here's the truth. You can change everything in the next few weeks if you stop playing small. People underestimate what a focused month can do. They underestimate what 30 days of real consistency can build. They underestimate themselves, and that's why they lose. So let this be your wake-up call. You still have time to make money, rebuild discipline, and become the version of yourself you've been avoiding. But you need to lock in. Today, let me break it down. Number 1, fix your input. Fix your output. If you're broke, uninspired, or behind, the problem isn't your goals. It's your habits. Cut the hours wasted scrolling. Cut the "I'll do it later." Cut the dead conversations, the nightlife, the mindless entertainment. Replace it with 1 hour skill building, 1 hour money making, 1 hour learning, 1 hour creating, 4 hours every day. That alone puts you ahead of 90% of people. Number 2, pick one income path and attack it. Stop jumping from idea to idea. Pick a lane and sprint. Freelancing, YouTube, dropshipping content creation, UGC, TikTok pages, design, short-form editing, affiliate marketing, reselling, digital products. Whatever fits you, choose it and go all in. You don't need 10 skills. You need 1 skill, done with discipline. Number 3, become uncomfortable on purpose. Growth doesn't show up when life feels easy. It shows up when you push through boredom, tiredness, doubt, and fear. Wake up earlier. Read more. Practice more. Build the skill when you're not in the mood. Make the video even when no one is watching. Sell the product even when you're scared of judgment. Comfort is the enemy. Discomfort is the shortcut. Number 4, move like someone who's running out of time, because you are. Every day you waste, someone else is becoming the person you want to be. Every excuse you make, someone else is stacking your dreams. You have weeks left in this year, not months. Do you really want to end it the same way you started? Same habits? Same income? Same regrets? Number 5, this is your reset button. The calendar doesn't control your future. Your decisions do. Let these next weeks be the moment you flip the switch. The moment you stopped pretending, stopped delaying, and stopped settling. The moment you got serious about your money. The moment you became locked in. Because a strong finish beats a perfect start, and your comeback story can begin today. Not next year, not next month. Today, get up, lock in, and make the rest of this year the reason next year looks completely different.